In this tutorial I will show you how to play Roblox even if it's not working. Roblox is currently down as you can see. To fix this, open Google and search for Wayback Machine. Click on the first link. Now you can go back to Roblox. Now type here https and then web.roblox.com. Place this URL here. I will put it in the description where you can copy it. Now click Browse History. Now choose a day it was working. For example, go to 25 of October where it still was working. Click here. It can take a while. Wait to load. It is loading Roblox website at that exact moment. There you go, the Roblox website. Now you can start playing it. Sign up for brand new account or log in. Sometime the login page may take to load a while. And yeah, it still works.